everyone, this is Philip from Pantechelearning and I welcome you all for engage your learning experience with Pantechelearning anytime, anywhere and any places. We are always supporting to the students in a technical way. What is our main vision? We are going to help 10 million students to learn the technical knowledge by the easy way. And I welcome you all to today's session of Artificial Intelligence Masterclass. Today we are going to discussing about one of the interesting topic, one of the important applications in NLP by using the deep learning. So this is one of the important applications in deep learning as well as the NLP technology. So this particular topic is nothing but a language translator. So it can be possible. It is one of the important applications in the NLP and also by using the deep learning. So that means what in the sense language translator, what is the meaning of that? Maybe that you had an experience about this. For example, so in NLP, so what is the aim of the NLP? So aim of the NLP in the sense that natural language or human language the computer can understand with the help of the NLP technology. That is the objective of NLP. What about the language translator objective? So that means what in the sense with the help of the NLP, it will be converting one natural language into the another natural language. For example, you want to know one particular word meaning in the sense, for example, English to Tamil or English to Malayalam or English to Telugu or English to Hindi, whatever it is, you can translate. So here, this is one of the most important applications in deep learning. So today we are going to discussing about the basic concept of the language translator. So for example, here we are using the multiple packages for translating the one language into the another language. So what are the concepts behind this and how we can use that particular package, this kind of the things today we are going to discuss by using the NLP. Okay, so without delay, I am going to enter the topic. The first one, what is machine translator? So machine translator is an robotized interpolation process of the software to translate the text from one language into the another language. That is nothing but, for example, English to Tamil, English to Malayalam, English to Telugu, English to Hindi, whatever it is. And English to French, English to Chinese, like that, Japanese, like that. We can translate. Okay, any language you can translate. Okay, right. So machine translation or machine translate one natural language into the another natural language, automatically it can translate. It can convert. That can be possible by using the NLP packages. Because we having the different packages for converting that with the help of the Google API. Maybe that for the translation we are using the Google Trans package. Maybe that you want to detecting that particular language in the sense that is language detect is one of the package we can detect that particular language. Maybe that it is English in the sense the computer will display yes it is English, like that. Okay, so the language translators, what is the importance of that actually in the sense? For example, you went one particular for example US. That time you can't understand some words. So suddenly you are going to search in a Google, after that you are getting the meaning of that particular word. How it can be? Because of the machine translator. So behind the, that particular translator, how it does work. So these are the things, these are the basic things we are going to discuss today. And we can also create our own translator today. Okay, right. So this is machine translator concept. Okay, so what is the main objective of the translator? In the sense, the machine can be translate the one language into the another language by using the natural language process technology. Okay, right. How does it works? Actually, the machine translation work by using the computer software to translate the text from one language to the another language. So here the computer software in the sense we can create by using the deep learning method. That particular software we can create by using the deep learning method. So that is the reason here I mentioned the computer software. Language translator is not, it can be possible with the help of to build the, machine learning or deep learning algorithm. That can be possible. Okay, right. So this is the way the machine translation can work like that. Okay, right. So what are the packages today we are going to use to build the machine translator. That means today I am going to discuss some basic things of the machine translator. I am not going to how to build the translator like that. So I am going to use the several packages to build the translation. Okay, right. So without delay, what are the packages I am going to use? Here the speech recognition I am going to use, Pantech I am going to use, Google Trans I am going to use, and language detect I am going to use. What is the purpose of each packages? The first one, speech recognition, in the sense it helps to converting the audio into the text format. What about the Pantech? The Pantech will convert the text into the audio format. Okay, so what about the Google Translate? The Google Trans is nothing but the Google API. So that will be help to converting the one language into the another language. What about the language detect? The lang detect will help to detecting the one particular language. For example, we are mentioning like English. You are typing like the English word, in the sense it is going to detect yes it is English. Once it is converting the translator to the Tamil, in the sense automatically it is going to detect yes it is Tamil. So what is the purpose of the language detect? Language detect will help to identify the language of that particular content. Okay, so these all are the packages I am going to use today to build the machine translator. Okay, right. Yeah. So without delay, I am going to enter in the coding. So the first one, with the help of I am going to discussing about the two different methods. First one is enter typing, another one is receiving the voice. After that it will be converting to one language into the another language. The first one by using the speech recognition. Okay. Yeah. So import the necessary libraries here. Okay, import the necessary libraries here. Here I am going to use the speech recognition and also the Pantech. So Pantech will help to converting the text into the audio. Speech recognition will help to converting the audio into the text. Okay, right. So first we have to initialize the Pantech. That means the engine is equal to pantech.init. So it is nothing but to initialize that particular package. After that recognizer, this is nothing but also initialize that particular speech recognition. So sr.recognize, this recognize will help to listening the human user voices, user audio. After that it will be converted to the text. So with the help of these particular recognizer function. The first one, so we need to accessing the microphone of the laptop. Okay, so that will be receiving the user's voices or user's audios. After that it will be converted to the text or whatever it is. Okay, so first what is the medium of the receiver? That is the microphone. That is nothing but as the source of the input. So what is the input here? User voices is the input. Okay, so with sr.microphone of as a input user, right? Then after that it will be going to receiving. So it is not just to print the byte the calibration. After that recognizer, this particular recognizer will adjust for ambient noises. That will be help to reducing the and removing the external noises from the environment for the input source. Here I mentioned one, in the sense it is nothing but the male voice. Okay, right. After that it is going to print to start speaking, right? Once it is printing in this, suddenly you are going to talk like audio is equal to call the recognizer that will be going to listen the audio from the user. Okay, so the listening will be listen from the input. Okay, so that's why I mentioned here as a source. Once it is receiving, in the sense we need to convert the listening audio into the text. So that is the reason I am going to create one particular variable, that is nothing but the speech is equal, we store that particular text into this variable. So recognizer dot recognize Google of these particular listening audio. So it is listening. After listening we need to convert the text audio into the text. So with the help of recognize Google function, right? Yeah. So after that, so it will be displays dot in a lower case. So that's why here mentioned. Okay. Then print the text, that particular text in that particular variable. Okay. After that, I am going to enter to the translate that particular text. Translate that particular text. So first initially translating. After that, we need to print all the language code. All the language code. For example, Tamil in the sense TA, Telugu in the sense TE, Malayalam in the sense ML, Hindi in the sense HI, and English in the sense EN, French in the sense F4. So F4, TA, TE, ML, HI, that all are the language code for the each languages. Okay, we need to print because of some languages we don't know the language code. That is the reason I am going to print this. After that, the language, we are going to create one particular variable to store the, one particular value. That is nothing but we are going to get the language code from the user. So with the help of input function, it will be help to run the, getting the input from while in the running time. So that is the main purpose of the input here. So input of type the translation language code. This particular input we are getting from the while in a running time from the user. Okay, right. So after that, receiving the language code from the user, translate the translator is the one particular variable to store the value of the translator. So Google Translator will help to converting the word, natural language, one natural language into the another natural language. After that, the translation and translation dot translate for which content. So here two parameters is here, that is the text and test. Test in the sense that is the language, okay, target language, okay. Then text in the sense the content, okay, receiving content. So the translate of the text is equal to speech. That means we are getting from the user, okay. Then test in the sense language, this is also we are getting from the user, right? Okay. After translating this one, we need to print the translation text, okay, right. So here this will be help to, these particular functions will help to speak that particular word, okay. That's it. Now I am going to run this particular version translator. Now you can see the output for the translation, okay, right. So now I am going to run this. Just a minute guys, it is going to run. Good morning. You can see it is received and print. It is received and print with the help of the speech recognition package, okay, right. So this is the language code. You can see this Afrikaans, that is AF, Albanian, that is SQ, okay, Arabic in the sense that is AR, American in the sense like that. So American in the sense, so here is the word, okay, here is the word, just a minute, yeah. You can see this Malay, MS, Malayalam, ML. You can see this here, Tamil is a TA, Telugu is a TE, and what about Hindi? Hindi is a sense HR. And what about the English here? Yes, you can see here, yeah, English in the sense EN. And what about this? Yeah, Tamil, Telugu, Tamil and Telugu. So these all are the language code, okay, language code. Now I am going to convert the first one, Tamil, okay, Tamil. Just I am going to enter. You can see this Kalai Vanakam for this particular meaning word, okay. So now I am going to run it again. You can see this for the Telugu and Hindi as well. Good evening. Yeah, just a minute. It is not receiving properly because of my microphone. Yeah. Good morning. The same word for to convert the Telugu. Telugu, you can see here it is converted. Okay, right. One more time I will run this. I like you. You can see this. This is the English language, right? So now I'm going to convert the Hindi. Okay, Hindi. You can see this.
Main tum han pasant karada huan.
You can see here. You can see here, no? So this is conversion of Hindi. Okay, like this only we can convert the one language into the another language by using the speech recognition. Okay, so one more example, one more method by entering the text. Okay, that will also I will show the example. You can convert all the language. For example, yeah, one more example for we don't know about that particular language, right? We can convert one particular language, Arabic. Okay, Arabic. Have a nice day. Yeah, you can see have a nice day. It is printed. Okay, here I am going to convert the Arabic here. So that means ye or. You can see it's converted. It's converted. Okay, like this only we can translate easily. This is our own machine translate. Okay, now I am going to enter in the next method. Okay, next method. What is that? In the sense by using the same procedure. Okay, so this particular code is going to detecting the receiving language and also the target language. It is going to detecting the receiving language and also the target language, and also the Google Trans will help to converting the one language into the other language. Okay, I am going to explain about this. First one. Okay, I am going to create one particular variable that is nothing but the sentence, and we store the value that input getting from the user with the help of the input. Okay, the first one string of enter the sentence. You can type the sentence which you can type the sentence maybe the Tamil or English or Malayalam or Telugu or Hindi, whatever it is. Okay, you can type any sentence. Okay, so that is the input from the user. Okay, that is the input from the user while in a running time. Okay, after that print detect that's the particular sentence. You can see here. So this will be help to detecting the language. Okay, what kind of the language you entered. You had entered what kind of the language. It is going to detect maybe that English or Tamil, whatever it is. It will be displayed in a language code. Okay, after that print the Google Trans language code for all the languages. For all the language. Okay, after that the another input getting from the user. This is the target language. Okay, this is the receiving language from the user. This is the target language from the user. User have to fix it. For example, you want to convert the English into the Tamil, English into the Malayalam, English into the Tamil, or Tamil into the English, whatever it is. You can convert, okay, whatever the language. So this is the target language. Okay, that is also we are getting from the user. Right? After that, the translator. The same thing, Google.translate, we have to initialize that particular functions to store the value to this particular variable. After that, the translation is equal to translator.translate the text from the user, okay, and text from the user. So these two different things we are going to enter while in a running time. Okay, right. So after that, print the translation text. Then detecting the language for the target language. Okay, the same thing. So print detect or these particular sentence. Okay, what kind of the language is this? So the detect language will help to detecting and identifying the languages, target languages. Now I am going to enter. You can see the output. It is very easy actually. Okay, right. So first I am going to run. I am going to type hello. Nice to meet you. Sorry. Nice to meet you again. Okay. So this is the one particular sentence. Now I am going to enter. You can see this. Language is detected. It is identifying. Yes, it is English. It will be displayed. Okay. After that, it will be displayed all the languages. Okay. All the languages. You want to convert the first one, Tamil. Vanakkam, ungalai meendum sandhippadhil magalchi. So this is Tamil, right? So this is Tamil. That means hello is nothing but the vanakkam. உங்களை சந்திப்பதில் உங்களை மீண்டும் சந்திப்பதில் மகிழ்ச்சி. That is the translation, that is the meaning of that particular English word. So here what is the target language? That is the English, Tamil, sorry. So that is Tamil, receiving language is English. Now I am going to copy this, okay. So it is deducted, it will be displaced in Tamil, okay, right. Now I am going to close this. This is the biggest output, right? So I am going to command this one, okay. Don't want, because of few languages only we are going to convert, right? So maybe the Tamil, Telugu, English, whatever it is. So we know that particular code. That is the reason I don't want to display it again, okay, right. Now I am going to enter. Now I am going to paste the Tamil word here. Vanakkam ungalai meendum sandhipadil maghilchi. This is the Tamil language. Now it is going to deduct. This is Tamil. Okay, now we are going to enter the target language. What is that? Maybe that, now I am going to converting the English again. Okay, you can see this, the translation. Hello, nice to meet you again for Tamil word. Okay, that is in English. It is going to deduct it like this. It is interesting, right? Yeah. And one more time. Now I am going to run this. The first one, I love you. So this is the English word. Okay, English word. So now I am going to convert. Maybe that this word is getting from the different language, I think so. But it is in English word for our knowledge. But now I am going to convert in Telugu. Okay, you can see this. This is the meaning of this particular word. Okay, right. So the same thing, for example, you don't know that one particular word. For example, criticize. Okay, criticize or size, like that. Okay, maybe that it is an English word. Tamil. விமர்சிக்கிறார்கள். So that is the Tamil word. So criticize. You can search the meaning from the different language. Okay. Same thing, for example. Okay. You are looking smart. You are looking smart and happy to see you. Okay, so this is the one particular word. You don't know that particular meaning of this English word. So this is in English. Okay, it will be deducted. Now I am going to converting in Tamil as well as Telugu. Okay, right. நீங்கள் புத்திசாலி உங்களை பார்ப்பதில் மகிழ்ச்சி. நீங்கள் புத்திசாலி உங்களை பார்ப்பதில் மகிழ்ச்சி. So this is the meaning of this word. Right? The same word, I am going to copy this Tamil to Telugu, we can convert. Okay, the same thing, I am going to run it again and paste this word here. Okay, then convert, and here I am going to convert Tamil to Telugu. And you know that because I can't read, because I don't know the Telugu to read that. So this is Telugu and this is Tamil. So this is Tamil and this is Telugu, and the copy this again, or copy the Telugu word, okay, then converting the Hindi as well. Okay, yeah, now I'm copy paste here. So this is Telugu, it is deducted. Now I'm going to convert it to Hindi. You can see this. Okay, now I copy this word to convert the Malayalam as well. Okay, right. So you can see this. Okay, paste here, and this is Hindi, it is deducted. Okay, now I am going to convert the Malayalam, that is ML. Okay, so it's convert the Malayalam. Now finally you are going to convert the Malayalam into English. What is the meaning of that particular word? Okay, now I am going to run it again. You can also make it in a while loop, so it will be continuously running, because I did not create the while loop. So that is the reason I am running it again, run and stop like that. Okay, this is Malayalam. then I'm going to convert in English. So nice to see you. Nice to see you. Okay, like this only we can convert all this word. Like this only we can convert the word from one language into the another language. That can be possible. That can be possible. Right? So this is the way you can translate. You can build your own machine translator. Hope you guys are understood about this particular concept. Maybe that you can ask some question. Behind the function, some deep learning training model will be there. So this is the Google API. So this will be help to converting the language, one language into the another language with the help of the NLP technique as well. But behind the function, behind the package, it having the multiple code for to converting the this process. Okay, this also can possible with the help of the deep learning as well as the machine law. NLP, natural language process. Okay, hope you guys are understand. This is the way you can. This is the way you can convert the one language into the another language.
Hey, are you interested to learning about the artificial intelligence technology more? Are you interested to doing the internship on artificial intelligence technology? And this is the right time to do the artificial intelligence technology internship program. And this is a special opportunity only for the artificial intelligence masterclass participants. You can join as an internship user right now. So we are giving this special offer for you guys. So maybe you are asking the question to me about the quality. If I pay the money, what about the quality? For the quality assurance, I will assure you that because of the quality is very good. If you are paying the money, definitely you will be satisfied about this. Okay, so what is the benefit of this particular internship program? That is the most important thing, right? So that I will discuss with you. So in most commonly, you are expecting what are the concepts we are going to cover in this particular artificial intelligence internship program. So in this particular artificial intelligence internship program, we are going to cover all the artificial intelligence subset of technologies. For example, what is machine learning and what is a project, how to build a project in machine learning technology. What is NLP? How to build a project in NLP technology. What is the computer vision? How to build a project in computer vision and also with a deep learning. What is deep learning? How to build a project in deep learning technology. These all are the things I'm going to cover in this particular artificial intelligence internship program. You will be learn more about artificial intelligence technology and I'm going to cover all the concepts in artificial intelligence technology. Okay, so you who all are interested to joining this particular internship program in the sense enroll right now. The link is mentioned in the description and also the link is mentioned in the comment box. So what is the benefit? 30 days live session is accessible for the participant and also the internship user. And recorded videos is accessible for the 90 days only for the internship user. And you can receive the hands-on experience for the building and also the developing a AI project nearly the 10 plus projects you can receive, and you can receive the source code for that particular the project and also the reports and also the documentation for all the projects you can receive that. And 30 days of downloaded presentation you can receive that. If you are an internship user means you can receive 30 days of downloaded presentation, you can receive that. And every Saturday I will be available only for the internship user. That is that completely related to the question and answer session in Zoom platform. So we are going to conduct the hackathon classes only for the internship user. If you have any queries related to which you learned before, I will answer for your queries definitely. And I will be available every Saturday for the hackathon classes who are joining this particular internship program. So that is completely related to the doubt clarification session and also the question and answer session as well. And so I will be always available. I will be support you in queries as well. Okay, and also you can reach the confirmation letter which is get it from Pantech learning, certificate which is get it from Pantech learning. These all are the the important, these all are the benefit of the internship user. And also the major importance is we are going to cover machine learning technology, deep learning technology, NLP technology, computer vision technology, and how to build a project in these all are the technologies in artificial intelligence technology. So these all are the concepts I am going to cover in this artificial intelligence internship program. If you are interested, to join immediately and enroll now immediately. So you are asking the question about the quality. Of course, the quality is very good for this much of money. Please to join the internship who all are interested to joining this artificial intelligence internship program. Please enroll right now. Okay, please enroll right now. So how to enroll this? How to enroll this? Normally we charge nearly 2000 rupees. Normally we charge nearly 2000 rupees. But only for the the masterclass participants, we are giving nearly 800 rupees. So use the coupon code AIMC4. Use the coupon code AIMC4. The discounted fee will be nearly 800 rupees. The discounted fee will be nearly 800 rupees. So for this much of money, we are giving this much of content. So normally we spend the money for that packet menu. So for the entertainment as well, for learning purpose, you can also spend this much of money as well. The link is mentioned in the description. The link is mentioned in the command box as well. Please enroll right now. Please enroll right now who all are interested to join the internship on artificial intelligence technology. Normally, we charge nearly 2000 rupees. For the masterclass participants, we are giving nearly 800 rupees. So use the coupon code AIMC4. The discounted fee will be nearly 800 rupees. So what are the process I am going to discuss with you? So how to create a model and how to create the training and also the evaluation, the various machine learning model and weight prediction based on the height and also the gender, sentiment analysis using the NLP, AI virtual assistant using the Python, and also the leaf disease detection using the deep learning, character recognition using the convolution neural network, fingerprint authentication, and also the number plate recognition, age and gender detection, brain tumor detection, face mask recognition, hand gesture detection, and emotion recognition through the facial expression. These all are the projects you can receive the hands-on experience in real time, and also you can learn more about this particular project, how to create a model and how to train a model. These all are the things. Okay, so please do join immediately. This is a special offer only for the artificial intelligence masterclass participant. Enroll now. The link is mentioned in the description and also the link is mentioned in the command box. Please enroll right now and use the coupon code AIMC4. AIMC4 and you can receive the discounted fee will be nearly 800 rupees. Enroll now and learn more about the artificial intelligence technology. Okay, right. So,
Okay, hope you guys are understood about very well. So thank you so much. Okay, so hope you guys are understood very well about it. Thank you so much for watching this particular class. Okay, so you can learn. You can explore your knowledge with Pantech e-learning anytime, anywhere, and any places. We are always to support you to the students. Okay, explore your knowledge. Explore your knowledge by the Pantech e-learning anytime, anywhere, and any places. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next topic in the next day class. Bye bye. See you again.